morning. Bale, 800 grams. Kaya mo kaya? Kaya mo. Bale, 150 grams.
Atawid.
Kaya ko.
Atawid.
Mucosal complex that penetrates each strand for up to 200% smoother.
Atawid.
First time sa trade, isa sa pagtuyo ang atubong ihahain sa pagkat. Buti na harap ko sa ng isang manok dahil sa
Tatarara. Ano? Awa. Awa. Atan.
Bestsellers cookies and cream with delicious pre-filled cookies. Sarap ng vegan.
Berapa sih ya pertama?
Ice Check or Eyes Check. Go to EO Executive Hospital for expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. EO Executive Hospital, love your eyes.
Dibebaskan. Api. Lelekku, itu tahu. Bela tahu siapa. Lelekku. Baik, dia raya. Bagus.
Sorry, we no speak Czech. No understand.
Nag-uwantin. Ito sudah nawa siapa. Yan.
I'm Filipino. My mother's Filipino, but I grew up around here.
Nawa siapa.
Very good. Sige mo alam.
Gagal.
That is very
Buting ka, no? Natakot sila. Ano sa mga bulyan mo? Dami ko kaya na. Talagang Pinoy lang talaga mga tuturo sa mga Pilipino eh.
I don't know if I can call myself a Filipino, but my mother speaks to me in Filipino, and lagi na kinakwento yung buhay sa Pampanga. I never also really had a chance to visit the Philippines, so I never had the opportunity to discover that side of me.
And it's not
Thank you, the waiter from the restaurant. Ano ginagawa mo dito? Sinagdang mo ba ako?
Yes! Oo nga pala. Oh, sinusundan po kita. Isasong na kami pera.
That's for you. Yeah, anyone can for you. It's my tip.
Eh? Lahat yan? Ano yan? This is very, very much money. Look, so many money. It's too much money.
I felt bad.
Daw ba?
So sorry, madam. I don't understand. No speak French. I mean,
Because the lessons will just still me. I felt bad with the way that customer treated you. Do you have any idea?
pero, ano ka lang yung din. Siguro ko yun. Maganda lumalabas sa bibig nila. Tsaka,
Exactly. That's why I left something extra for you. Because I just don't want you to do that. The people from here are
Tsaka, wala naman sa lahi yun. Michael actually, Michael D. Pinagpala. Michael D. Pinagpala. Salamat po, pero pasensya na talaga. Hindi po talaga yung matapos. Napaka-OA po talaga.